Hey guys, so once again welcome back to my channel. So in today's episode I'm going to tell you guys how you can draw realistic looking portraits using only charcoal medium. So I'm starting with eyebrows, and for that I'm using medium grade charcoal pencil. And for this drawing I'm using 200 GSM medium surface paper. Many beginner artists do not want to use charcoal medium because it's kind of messy and really hard to control. So in this episode I'm going to tell you guys how you should use charcoal and easily control it like a pro. So must watch the video till the end, guys. So this one actually is one of my commission work which I have done recently, and I really like the reference image because it has really great values and the quality of the picture was also nice, so I thought I should make a tutorial on this. I am also showing you the reference image on the side so you can better understand the process and the technique I am using for this portrait. Now for blending I am using flat synthetic brush, and as you can see the shades are blending really easily and really smoothly, and that's what I really like about charcoal. So easy way to do it is like spreading around all the charcoal which you have already used, and you will get smooth results so easily. If you want to add smooth shading in larger area, then you can simply use charcoal powder. Just take some charcoal powder on your brush and spread it around the required area where you want shadings. And if you want lighter shading, just use a little bit of charcoal powder on the brush, like a pinch of it, and then spread it around your drawing, like I'm doing here. So I'm going to upload this drawing in some parts, and I'm going to make separate videos or separate tutorials for different parts, like this one which is based on drawing face and how you can do realistic shading. And the next tutorial will be based on drawing light beard and mustache as you can see in the reference image. And then I will upload tutorial on how you can draw realistic looking hairs using charcoal powder. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon too, so that you will get the notification whenever I will upload my next tutorial. So make sure of that. So please subscribe to my channel. For drawing darker tones, I'm just adding another layer of charcoals in desired areas, and you can see it's already starting to look realistic.